Okay, so I have these stairs that are wrapping around this wall that I put in. As I'm looking at it, I did notice that my doors and garage door on the first level are not placed properly. So that's something I'll come back later and change. For the moment, I'll just deal with it. I've got the staircase selected. I'm going to push 7 to get a top view. I also noticed that it's not placed exactly the way I would like. Although I am going to grab the wall by pushing G, and I'm going to slide it down a little bit. And then likewise, I'm going to grab the stairs, push G, use the arrow keys to match them up closer to where they're supposed to be. Let's zoom in a little bit and make sure we're close. All right, I will call that acceptable. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tab into edit mode on the stairs. I'm going to go to face select mode. And I'm going to grab the face of the staircase that's going to go towards the wall to create the landing. And I'm going to push E to extrude. And there we go. So, roughly where it needs to be. Again, I've got the garage door in the way, a little bit of a problem, but we'll deal with that. Now, the stairs are set up with a mirror modifier, which I've already brought up. That's under the modifiers. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, I need to get out of edit mode. So I'm tabbing out of edit mode into object mode, and I'm going to apply this so that the stairs become a whole thing. Now if I tab back into it, I should be able to grab this face, go to the top view, and I will push E to extrude and extrude the landing to approximately where I believe that should be. And I'm going to stop there and come back in a minute to finish off the staircase.